Welcome to Fabby John's, the joy of decorating. Neutral interiors. Tonal hues are one way to show color design neutrality. Adding more black or white to the palette might change how the colors are expressed overall. Palettes of colors and shades that go well with white or black are considered neutral tones. The four most popular neutrals, which are made by combining two complementary colors, are black, white, brown, and gray. These neutrals are regarded as pure. Play around with texture to create a more neutral, monochromatic space. You should concentrate on adding lots of intriguing textures to the space to give it a charm rather than going overboard with vivid colors for the walls or your artwork. When you use neutral decor, it's much easier to incorporate seasonal decorating because everything goes with neutral colors. This room is a perfect example of a neutral living room. It has the basics, which is the white or beige sofa. It's incorporating the gray, the black, the brown, the glass, and it's also incorporating some wicker or bamboo. The dark black furnishings and the light coming through the windows. This is a beautiful, beautifully done living room. If neutrals are your thing, this is the room to emulate. This is the room to copy, and you will not go wrong. We usually crave calm and tranquility at the start and finish of our hectic days, and these earthy, light-filled areas may be immensely soothing. Having a calm and distraction-free room is a welcome change of pace, whether you're going through your bedtime routine or starting your morning. Furthermore, a neutral space provides a blank canvas and a classic style that you can easily alter over time if you decide to embrace a few pops of color. To add in some color, you should use 2 or 3 accent colors and scatter them over the room. For instance, you might want to add some contrast with some deep brown or mid-beige highlights through your pillows, a side table, bedding, or other minor decor if you want to go for a softer, warmer color for your background. Remember that none of these rooms would look as beautiful and serene if they were filled with clutter. So, declutter your home and welcome in the sun, the light, and the warmth. The tranquility will embrace you at every turn. Colors such as beige, taupe, gray, cream, brown, black, and white are examples of neutral colors. A color that lacks significant saturation or intensity is referred to as a neutral. These colors provide a very calm visual effect. Color undertones. Near neutrals are defined as any other neutrals. Muted tones that seem colorless but frequently have underlying hues that shift depending on the illumination are known as neutral colors. Incorporate pastel rose, mint, and baby blue. Without drawing attention to themselves, these pastel and vivid colors can enliven your room. This is the strategy for you if you're all about blending tones together. Using this technique also allows you to mix cold and warm neutrals in the same space. You can preserve a feeling of balance and tranquility in your rooms by using neutral color schemes. Individuals that favor more subdued colors for their interiors are probably also partial to subtle elegance. Consider using a neutral color scheme to create the serene, well-balanced atmosphere you desire, a more balanced vibe in your home. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.